Princess Ashley Pensacola, a strong and loving woman, lived in a castle high above the mountains surrounded by a forest. Princess Ashley would wander off into the woods to get away from her royal, boring life. Never being able to get away from people, always surrounded by guards, she would often sneak out at night. It made her feel normal. She befriended a crow named Kathy, and they would wander off into the woods to play. Her mother and father wanted her to marry Aaron, the Prince of Pace, whom she had no feelings for. Her father wanted her to marry Aaron to join two strong families together. While in the woods one night, she met a man named Michael Daytona. He was strong and kind, and loved the forest animals and her. Princess Ashley would meet up with Michael every night in the woods. They would stay there until dawn, and she would go back into the castle. One night her father, King Mark, caught the princess sneaking out of the castle, so he followed her into the woods, where he witnessed her and Michael swimming in the nearby lake. The king returned home and asked the guards to find out who this man was. Once the guards came back, the king ordered Princess Ashley to be locked into her room, never to see the common man again. Kathy came to visit Ashley and heard of her father's orders. She asked Kathy to go into the woods and tell Michael. After a month of being locked away, Kathy helped Ashley escape her room. With the help of some of the forest friends, Ashley ran as fast as her legs could carry her and met up with Michael and her friends. At dawn, she once again snuck back into her room. After months, she noticed that she was pregnant. Her mom, Queen Lisa, noticed her growing stomach and told her husband. Once the king found out, he paid a troll to take the baby away from the castle once it was born. A few months later, the princess had the baby safely behind the castle walls. The king, wanting a glimpse of his new life, decided to pay his daughter a visit. The king peeked into the room unnoticed and saw Princess Ashley's newborn son. He fell in love with the baby and wanted to pay a visit to Michael. King Mark met up with Michael and talked about his new son and asked about his plans to care for them. King Mark started to grow quite fond of Michael and allowed him to see his daughter and son. The king and queen grew to love Michael and knighted him so that he may stay behind the palace walls. Now with the new family in tow, the palace was filled with music and dancing. The king invited everyone he knew to gaze upon the new prince. The townspeople showered him with gifts and good fortune. He told the troll the deal was off, and he wandered back into the forest empty-handed. The days were now filled with laughter and lots of love.